We have a Buick Enclave for you today. Light's really bad. Owner tried many different options and just didn't work out. Lights are heavy, micro cracking. Car's a lot of miles on it, a lot of age. But we made it look unbelievable. With the blue internal rings around the lights. Look awesome by when we got done with it. Yeah, look at this. You see some micro cracking, nothing you could do there, but you get to see the blue. And same with this one. Nice blue rings, nice. Give us a call, South Florida, 754-302-0769. You could also text us your pictures if you like. We go to Miami-Dade, Broward County, Palm Beach County, Boca Raton. We travel, home or office. Give us a buzz. 754-302-0769.